Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Geidily. If you're new here, hi, welcome. We talk about all things beauty, hair, makeup, hair, as I have curly hair. But today the topic is magnetic lashes. Woo! So I actually have magnetic lashes on right now. I have the magnetic lashes with the eyeliner from KISS. I also bought the ones by ARDELL, which is a different application method. The way that they are supposed to be applied is that, so you see how it has 4 lashes? That's because you're supposed to have 2 lashes for the upper and 2 lashes for the lower. You put the upper one on top and then you put the bottom one on the bottom, and they're supposed to just kind of attract. And then I got this other one by KISS, and this has the magnetic eyeliner, and then it has the lashes. So this one I think might be a little easier. I'm not sure. I'm going to try both of them, of course, and review them for you guys and recommend the one that I like the best. And so you put on the liquid eyeliner, and it's supposed to serve as like a glue, but it has the magnetic component. And then these lashes do have little magnets, right? That's supposed to just pop on there. So let's try it and see which one we like best. So it says easy liquid application, paraben free, #1 strongest formula, etc., etc. Dermatology tested, so that's good. Long lasting, reusable, no smudge, biotin infused. Oh, I like that. This is what it looks like, a little packet. Again, these are the lashes. I also got this mascara from Ulta. It's the Telescopic one by L'Oreal. And my friends have recommended this to me so many times. And since there was a sale and I saw it that it was $7, it's usually, I think, 11. I hopped on it, and today's actually, that literally always happens to me. Today is actually the first time that I'm going to try it. So I'm excited. It's supposed to lengthen. So the little lashes have five magnets on there for a secure hold. And then on the steps, it says line with KISS magnetic eyeliner along the lash line and wait until formula is dry. Oh, tip, if needed, trim completely to the next magnet so that the lash band starts and ends with a magnet. Oh, interesting. All right, let's take a look at this lash. Well, it's very long, so I might have to cut it. So I just went to get my scissors, but it's looking like I'm going to have to cut one little magnet thing. And then it says to remove, wet a cotton swab with an oil-based makeup remover and gently wipe away the eyeliner. Okay, guys, I have not put on eyeliner in like over a year, so I'm a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. So this is it. It has a little bristle. Okay, not bad. Not bad for the first time in over a year. The hard part is getting the other one to match. So, okay. Not bad. So now we're just gonna let that dry. Ugh, I kind of made that thick. You see? This is what I'm saying. Eyeliners literally just are my worst enemies. I'm not even gonna touch it. I might just go over it with some makeup. Now we're just gonna let that dry. I think we're ready. Let's put this one on. Let's see if it just snaps right in there like they say. Oh God. Oh gosh, that's so cool. Oh my God, that just snapped right in there. Guys, that was so awesome. Okay, wait a minute, because that was unreal. Oh gosh, I'm the worst at putting these lashes things on. It did snap right in there, okay? Don't get me wrong. This is looking crazy awesome. Like, I'm so excited. But I'm just having a little trouble with, like, where I want it. So I'm just gonna fix it up a little bit. You see, I don't like that it's, like, down. Like, why is that happening? Why is it looking like my eyes, like, droopy? Okay, there, I fixed it. Yeah. I think you just have to play with it and play with like where you want it to start and end, because I did put the eyeliner in my entire like lash line. At any point that you put it down, it attracts to your eye. So I think I was putting it too much off to the end. So now that I've put it like exactly where it needs to be, this is a game changer, okay? I'm going to be looking fly on the daily. I mean, it was just so easy. I'm so excited. Okay. Let's put on the other one and see. In terms of security, I am not crazy about it being very, very secure. I mean, magnet, you would think, of course, that like it's very strong, but I'm not sure. Like, you could literally just snap it right off, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but honestly, I don't think it will come off if you're like at the club dancing and sweating. I don't think that it's going to completely come off. I don't know, I haven't experienced it, sadly. But I'm really loving it. Like, I am loving it. Let me put on the other one. What? I'm sorry. Oh, also, so I didn't tell you guys, these are Charm. The Ardell ones are Wispies, and these that I have on are Charm. I'm literally feeling myself so much right now. Now let's put on our volume. Usually when I put on my mascara, I would just do the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and this is great for volume. And then I would just use my other mascara, I think it's from L'Oreal, and just try to like separate them and lengthen. But like I said, my friends recommended that I get Telescopic, and they swear by it in terms of the lengthening, and the way that they recommend that I use it is use the Better Than Sex for volume and then use the Telescopic for length. So let's do that. So I'm noticing that this is actually, the magnet is on the top part of my eyeliner, so it's like too high. So I'm trying to bring it down. Oh, okay, well that worked. I can kind of see some complications coming from wearing these magnetic lashes, such as like them attaching to, like if you put the eyeliner too thick to the top of the eyeliner instead of like your lash line, them being loose or coming off when you are putting on mascara, because that's kind of what happened to me. It kind of moved around. The lashes that you put on with the glues are definitely, I think, more secure than magnetic lashes, but this is an easy alternative. It's like if you just want to pop them on there, maybe I take back my comment in terms of like if you're out sweating, dancing, and like, I don't know, you move around too much, they may come off. I'm not sure. But they definitely are moving as I'm putting on the mascara. So that's a little bit concerning to me. All right, and now for the Telescopic. Okay, so this is what it looks like. To be honest, I don't think I'm gonna see much of a difference because I have lashes on, so that's not really gonna. But if it was maybe my own lashes, you guys would be able to see the difference. I really like this though. Like, I could tell it's for lengthening and separating because the bristle's like very thin. It has a bunch of these little poking out kind of thing. I don't know what it's supposed to do, but It looks like it can separate your lashes very well and lengthen them very well. I'm loving this. All right, let's do the bottom. We always make the weirdest faces when we're putting on mascara. Maybe I could use the Telescopic for the bottom lashes. Wow, yep, that really did it right there. All right, guys, well, this is the final look with the KISS eyeliner magnetic lashes in the charm length. So now that I tried these, I wore them for the whole day and I really like them, and I'd say I give them a 9 out of 10 because the only issue that I had was when you put on the eyeliner, you have to put on the eyeliner precisely on your lash line. Again, these are great, very convenient, very easy. It took literally 1, 2, 3 to put them on. So 9 out of 10, great product. And now I'm gonna take these off and I'm going to put these on. Let's see how, wow, look how easy it is to take them off. They literally just snap right off. And then there's a little magnet in there and we're just gonna put it in the magnet. Look, this is what it looks like. My boyfriend's here. You wanna say hi?
What's up, guys?
So I'm going to try these other magnetic lashes. Like I said, I took off the other ones, and as you can see, the liner is still there. And to take off the liner, you just use a little bit of oil and you just rub it off. Let's try these on. This is gonna take like, hopefully not more than 5 minutes. So this is what it looks like, and it has this little applicator right here. And then we're just going to pop that off. So what this says is, ooh, hold the applicator with the Ardell logo facing up and black magnetic strips facing you. Okay, up. Ardell, you can see it says Ardell, we pointed up, and then these magnetic strips pointing towards me. Use your hands to attach the upper magnetic lash to applicator's upper magnetic strip and the lower to the lower. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so instead of 5 little magnetic clips that the KISS has, this one has 3 magnetic clips. So it says to attach the top to the top lash thing. Wait, I'm confused. I'm gonna attach the lower one to the lower lash. Okay, what is going on here? Okay, this is a mess. They're attaching to each other.
I'm struggling big time.
Okay, so after like a whole 10 minutes of trying to figure out how the heck this goes, I finally was able to put them in. So this is how they go. You have to keep them really separate because it's very difficult because they will attach to each other. So keep it wide open. And as you can see, there's a magnetic strip on here. And then the lash is supposed to go more inside because it's gonna go like in your eye just like that, right? So let's go ahead and put that in. Let's finish reading the directions. Quickly release to connect upper and lower lashes. Okay, so they came off. Oh my God, did I do this wrong? Okay, let's try again. Quickly put it on. Okay, well, this is obviously... No, I got it, I believe. Oh, nah, I have no patience for this. Okay, again, I got it in. I'm gonna give it another try. They won't attach to my freaking eye, and that is frustrating me. I'm gonna try one more time. I'm about to give up because this is ridiculous. Okay. 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 No, stay in my eye. Come on, stay. Okay. It stayed. All right, well, this is the best I could do. At least I got it on my eye. At least I got it in there. They're literally attached.
Yeah.
Between my lashes. This is crazy. So I'm just gonna do the other eye and call it a day. Oh God, I'm nervous. Okay.
No. You look crazy. But amazing still.
Aw, you're sweet. These lashes ain't it. Absolutely trash. Absolutely not. I like the idea and the concept that they're trying to go for, but this ain't it. And the other thing that I don't like about this packet compared to this packet is that, as you can see, this packet has a little magnet in there in which you can pop the lashes back on, whereas this doesn't have a magnet. Rather, it has like the glue. Ardell, nah, they need to do better because that was very frustrating. I really tried. I tried this like 10 times and it just didn't work out. I definitely give the Ardell lashes a 5 out of 10. I mean, it's frustrating, it's difficult to put on, and yeah, they don't have the magnet, they have the glue. It's just much more complicated. So I think that it's not really worth it, especially if you have a better option, because I definitely think that these lashes are beyond amazing. Like, the feasibility of these compared to the Ardell ones, where are they? Right here. These lashes are not it, right, babe? Don't you agree?
I agree.
Thank you everybody for watching. That is the end of our video. I hope that you guys liked this little review and got some insight on which magnetic lash is good for you. Of course, as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button to get more notifications on my upcoming videos. Don't forget to hit that like button and comment down below what magnetic lash you guys bought, which one's best for you, which one you guys think works best. And of course, comment what other products you guys want me to review next. Thank you guys for watching.